You know, sometimes the speakers that they put in these smart home devices just aren't that good. So today we're going to show you how to take the Google Home Mini and connect it to a Bluetooth speaker, so stick around. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Aaron from HelpCloud, and on this channel we focus primarily anything tech related, all the way over from tech tips to unboxing. So if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing. Now, just a few weeks ago, we released a video on how to take a Bluetooth speaker and connect it to an Amazon Echo Dot. And I will go ahead and link up that video if that is one you're looking for up in the top right-hand corner. However, this week we're gonna be doing the same thing, but we're gonna be using the Google Home Mini instead. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. Now, before we get started, just a quick tip is you will want to have your Google Home already pre-set up. I will link another video in the top right card that shows you and walks you through the steps to do the initial configuration with your Google Home. So to begin the steps, go ahead and locate and open up your Google Home app. So we're gonna go into smartphone here, and we're gonna tap on Home, and it's gonna load whatever devices you've currently already set up. You can see right here, I've got the office speaker, which is just off camera right over there. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tap on the speaker, because you're gonna want to have the speaker that you're wanting to set up, the Bluetooth speaker, and your Google Home as close as you can together, because we're dealing with Bluetooth here and the range isn't crazy far. So we're gonna go up into the top right-hand corner and tap on the little gear icon here. Once we've done this, it's going to connect to that specific device. As you can see, it's connecting to the office speaker. And once it's connected to the speaker, it's gonna bring up all of the different types of settings that you can change on the speaker. So we're gonna scroll down all the way until you find and then tap on where it says default music speaker. We're gonna go ahead and tap on that once. Once we've done that, it says when you ask office speaker for music, it'll play on the speaker selected below. You can see that I've already got a Bluetooth connection on here, but what we're gonna want to do, and for the sake of this tutorial, is we're gonna go ahead and tap on pair Bluetooth speaker. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on that, and it's gonna go ahead and scan for devices. Now, of course, because I didn't put any device in Bluetooth pairing mode, it's probably not gonna find anything. So what you're gonna want to do in order to pair your Bluetooth speaker is you may need to Google how to do it, or you may need to bring up the manual that came with that device, just because every Bluetooth speaker is slightly different. So I'm gonna press and hold the Bluetooth button on the top of this soundbar for 5 seconds. You can see the little Bluetooth icon. Press and hold. Now again, this is the 5.1 Vizio soundbar, but that same process should work for most of the Vizio soundbars. So once you've got that, you should hear an audible tone, and then you should see some bouncing lights on the left-hand side of the soundbar going up and down, indicating that it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, come on back to the app here where it says pair your Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on rescan in the bottom left-hand corner, and we're gonna wait for it to find the Vizio soundbar. Perfect. Now, as you can see, the Vizio SB3651, you can see has now popped up in the list. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it, and we're gonna get a little scrolling wheel here indicating that it's starting the pairing process between the two devices. We get a little message saying that it is set as default speaker, and you can see the blue check mark indicates that it is now connected to that speaker. We're gonna go ahead and tap on done here, and now you can see that we've got the 5.1 soundbar connected to the Google Home, and you can see with the little blue check mark right there. And you can go through, since I have multiple devices paired on here, you can choose each one of these and it will go through, and as long as it's within range, it will connect to that device. Now, if you wanted to go through and remove these, you can hit the little back arrow here, and we go to paired Bluetooth devices. If you want to remove the device, you can see the devices that are paired now are showing up in this list, and you can just tap the little X next to it in order to remove that Bluetooth device. So now, since we've got it all set up and we've got the default speaker already set up, we can actually go ahead and give it a test. So if we go back to the digital or the default music speaker, again, we've got the 5.1 there set as the default. So if we go, hey Google, play Circles from Post Malone.
Choosing songs is only available for YouTube Music Premium members, but you might like this station.
So since I'm not a YouTube Premium member and I don't have any other music system set up on this, it's gonna just pick a song that's close to what I requested. So if we listen real close here, slide the phone on over. There we go. So you can see now that it will now play any music that you want to play through. Instead of using the internal speaker, it's now going to use the Bluetooth speaker, giving you better sound. And that's it, everyone. That is going to wrap up this week's tech tip. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got something out of it. If you did, be sure to give the video a share and a big old thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you guys don't miss out on any of our future uploads. And we will see you on the next one. Peace.